Hi, I'm Katie with SHEFIT, and this is a moment of calm. Here at SHEFIT, we are all about support. So we've created 12 episodes of yoga and tips on how to break and find that little moment of calm in your day. Today, we're going to build on what we did in the last episode, working with Sun Salutation B. We'll start in your supported stance. So begin with your feet about hips width distance apart. Create strength in your legs, so squeeze right above your kneecaps. And create more support in your belly. So imagine pulling your hip points to your low ribs and cinching it around your waist. Lastly, lift your shoulders up, back, and down. Breathe here in your supported stance. A couple of breaths. Inhale your arms all the way up to the sky. Big, big reach. Bow forward. Halfway lift. Bow forward. Rise, go up. Big stretch. Chair. Feet can be together or apart. Take a breath. Come back to that support in your belly. Inhale. Bow forward. Halfway lift. High plank, step back, top of a push-up. Remember, your knees can be up or down. Breathe in, come forward. Lower just a little bit here. Upward facing dog, shoulders back. Downward facing dog, breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Good, lift your right leg up in the air. Take a big step forward, warrior one. Turn and ground your back heel, arms up. Blow it out. Two more, big, big stretch. Blow it out. Take your best breath. High plank. Breathe in, look forward. Lower just a little. Upward facing. Downward facing dog. Breathe in. Breathe out. Lift your left leg up in the air. Warrior one, step forward. Big breath, reach. Stay and empty. Inhale. And exhale. One more, go up. High plank. That support in your belly, come forward. A little lower, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Breathe in your down dog. Good, press your hips up a little higher. Get all that air out. Lift your heels. Bend your knees, look forward. Go, hop, step. Halfway, strong between your shoulder blades. Bow. Rise up, stretch up, big, big reach. Chair. Find that support in your belly. Bow forward. Halfway lift here. High plank, step back. Knees up or down. So look forward, find the strength in your belly here so there's no sag in your low back. Lower just a little bit, just a little, yes. Up dog. Downward facing dog, stay here, just breathe. If you lower too low in chaturanga, for example, if your shoulders come lower than your elbows, you need to use tendons to peel yourself up. So that's why we're having you lower just a little bit to keep you safe and supported and strong. Pick your right leg up in the air. Warrior one, step forward. Big stretch here. Yes, now warrior two, open up. Good. Reverse, take it back. High plank, good job. Support in your belly. Lower just a little bit. Really good. Up dog. Down dog, stay here. Pick your left leg up in the air. Big step forward, warrior one. Warrior two, reach your hands apart. Reverse. High plank. Good job. Take a breath in high plank. Chaturanga, that little lower, keeping everything strong. Up dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, one more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Lift your heels up. Bend your knees, look. And go forward. Halfway lifts. Bow forward. Rise up, big stretch. Chair. One breath in. Bow forward. Halfway lengthen. High plank. Take a breath. Lower just a little bit. Up dog. Down dog. Lift your right leg. Warrior one. Breathe to come up. Huge, big, strong breath. Warrior two. Reverse. High plank. Breathe in, look forward. Lower just a little bit. Up dog, we're almost there. Downward facing dog. Lift your left leg. Warrior one. Breathe big and strong. Warrior two. Reverse. High plank. Take a breath, knees up or down. Lower just a little. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Take a large, big breath here and come down to your knees. Pause. Notice how you feel. You did a really good job. Remember, repetition is the key to mastery. So feel free to play this video, this episode again and again, or any of the other episodes as many times as you need to review them. Just like we end all of our sessions, we'll bring our hands together in front of our heart. In support of each other, together we'll say, Namaste. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie with SHEFIT, and this has been A Moment of Calm.